Hey everybody, Stephanie Gilezan here today, and I'm with Colette Koetsier, who is with us on the Gilezan Global team brokered by EXP. Today we wanted to talk about how do I know what my residential property is worth? So how do I know what my house is worth? Colette, how can we tell homeowners what their house is worth?
Hi, Stephanie. Well, thanks for having me on today. I'm joining you from sunny Florida here. And, I have homeowners asking me that question all the time. And what we would initially start to do is just to have a look at the neighborhood that they're in. We'd have a look at what us realtors call comparables, see what properties have listed for and what they've more particularly sold for, because then that's where we know that the price is set right. Obviously, I like I like to meet with clients. I don't know their home, they don't know me. So it's nice to get an opportunity to go into somebody's home and have a look around and see what updates they've made. And we take it from there.
Colette, we've been in the business combined well over 30 years. We have closed well over, 10,000 residential homes across Kentucky and now in Florida. And we get the calls every single day that says, well, Zillow says my house is worth this, or Realtor.com says my house is worth this. Or for me, I actually logged into one of my mortgage, my mortgage online account platform, and it said my house was worth, I couldn't even believe what it said. It's great that the lender thinks that my house is worth that, but I know as a professional, my house is nowhere close worth that. Why are we seeing these influx on these different platforms?
And that's my worst, when a client says to me, oh, but the Zestimate is such, or on, Realtor.com it's such. And I always just try to explain to the client that is just based off an algorithm. And there is no human behind it that is actually looking at your house, looking at your upgrades, looking at what you've done to the property, what the location is, specifically, are you on the back of a highway? Are you on the beachfront? So I always advise clients stay away from those because they are really wildly inaccurate.
That's true. Very, very true. And so what we're telling you is to truly know what the value of your home is worth. It's to call a real estate professional, get a true comparative market analysis so that the right adjustments are properly made, that we give you credit for your finishes, that, we take every single detail about that property into consideration. And then as well as the comparables that have sold, we look at those and we combine it to get you the most up-to-date and accurate cost analysis of your property. Very simple.
Absolutely. I mean, that's the way to do it, is get a human in your home that actually knows the market, that's been working in your market, that knows what is selling, knows what's expired and is sitting on the market. There's two reasons that properties expire, and that is, it's exposure and it's price. So you want to price correctly. You want a professional in there that knows exactly what they're doing to get your house sold in the shortest amount of time for the most amount of money.
That's right, with the least amount of stress. All right. I'm Stephanie Gilezan. I service the Louisville, Kentucky, and about 9 surrounding counties, as well as Southern Indiana. Colette Koetsier services how many areas of Florida now?
Yeah, so actually I'm in Brevard County, which is on the Atlantic coast of Florida. And the area that I'm in is actually as large as Rhode Island as a state. So it's a pretty big area. But I'm only 40 minutes from Orlando as well. So I go up and down the coast. There's plenty of areas to be serviced here in Brevard County, Florida.
Wonderful. Thank you, everybody, for watching today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of these great topics that are going to better help you understand the real estate that you own.